Here comes another amazing product review, guys. Enjoy the show. Okay, guys, we're going to do a quick review right here of product X000X306KP. This is from GPTOYS, and this is their 12 scale car. It's supposed to do 33 miles an hour. Let's get her unboxed, guys. I'm going to do the unboxing portion right now, and then I'll shoot the actual test video a little bit later. Edit them together so you can see what they all look like, guys. Let's go ahead and get her popped open here. So, when you open the end, one of the things you do get is the looped-in S912 instructions. And then the protective material that the car itself is packed in. Overall, it comes with a pretty cool display box. I'm pretty sure the camera's picking this up, but it's a neat little wrapping over the cardboard to give it a nice little shine and sparkle. As you can see, it is two-wheel drive only. The front tires spin freely. The rear ones are on the drive axle. And on the bottom here, I do have some zip ties holding it in. I can see the controller under this one, so I'll cut them nice and soft. There's one of them out. Go ahead and pop off some of this cardboard so you can get it all the way out. See what it looks like. Alrighty, so we have our controller in here. Probably our battery and charger. And just one second, I'm going to pull this guy off camera. They did use quite a few zip ties to hold this thing together, and there are 5 altogether. The main one I took off originally, and then one around each control arm of this truck. So right now, in the background, I'm just cutting off those zip ties so I can bring you the 12 scale truck itself. Overall, it is a very nice looking truck. From here so far, I can tell it's got a lot of attention to detail. From bumper to bumper, we are 12 inches. From outside of tire to outside of tire, we're about 11.5. We have 4 stainless steel pins that hold the body on. Let me pop those off real quick. Inside the body, we can see right here, we have a nice polymer cage that protects everything. We have independent 4-wheel shocks. So there's shocks for all 4 tires, front and rear. There are coils on the outside with shock absorbers on the inside. All 4 tires have one to get you great stability. There are these 4 levers right here. 1, 2, 3, and 4 in the back that you can close or open. That cover the battery housing. This is where your lithium-ion battery is stored. You do need to pull it out to charge it. The motor's back in here, so it is fully protected. And we have these circular bumpers behind the front bumper, which are designed to take a good impact. So if you crash it, most of your impact should be absorbed there and there. That way you don't have to worry about breaking any of the parts here. One of the things I was very glad to see and notice is when I opened it up, the back axles are stainless steel, so they should take a beating, and the diff cups appear to be a very high quality steel. Overall, guys, this looks like it's a winner. Looks like it's going to be a great basher. Have fun with and not break it too easy. I can't wait to get it charged. Also in the box, guys, it comes with your controller. It's your 2.5 gigahertz controller. So your forward and reverse, your on and off switch right here. I know somewhere there's a spot where you can open it. You do need a screwdriver to open it so you can install your batteries, I believe. I'll get those installed and I'll go ahead and shoot the test video. One other thing this does come with is going to be this little white box. Let's pop it open and see what we have inside. I'm assuming it's going to be the battery charger. Correct, I am. We have our battery charger. We also have this very nice fin for the back. Overall, this is high quality, guys. This is a nice piece of plastic that's going to bolt right on. We also have a small screwdriver included. This is going to be necessary to put the batteries in. And we have our turning knob. This needs to be installed on our controller so we can turn the vehicle left and right. So that simply pushes in. It's very easy. Goes right there. Let me pull it out real quick. So there's a slot right here that's meant to go in. You simply put it there, push it on, you're good to go. You can now turn your wheels left and right. And there's also a small bag of screws just in case you need extras or maybe to mount this fin on. I'll go ahead and get it put together, guys. Get some batteries on it. Charge up the lithium battery. The lithium battery, when I look at it, it says lithium ion. It is 800 milliamps, 9.6 volts. Can't wait to try this out, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this review and have a great day out there. Alrighty, guys. What I went ahead and did is charge the battery. I put the two AA's on the controller. I installed the back fin. Let's go ahead and get this guy tested out. Opening up the 4 clips right here. So let me remove this top panel so I can get the battery in. The on-off switch is right here. Plug the battery in. Put the port here. Turn my remote on. Turn the switch on. And we have power. Put the battery cover on. Get the body back on. Reinstall these little stainless steel clips that hold the body in place. And then we'll be ready to roll, guys. There's one.
Good morning.
Morning. There's 2. Three, and last but not least, the 4th clip, and we are ready to roll, guys. And the 4th clip's in there. So steering works. Forward and reverse works. Let me go ahead and pan out so we can see how this thing runs. Let's see what she's got, guys. Overall, I must say I'm very impressed with how easy it steers. It's got great control. It doesn't tip very easy. Let's go ahead and take her out to the street and see how she performs on blacktop. Right now I'm on grass, and the grass is kind of damp. It's actually a little wet. You can see the tracks from the tires. So let's see how this performs right here in asphalt. Sorry for the lengthy video, guys. I'm actually going to go over here in the sun where we get some better lighting. Try it right over here. Alright, that looks much better, guys. So as you can see, it does donuts very easy. Weight distribution is really nice on this car, the way it's built with that cage. The brake system's nice. So it's very easy to steer. It's very easy to run. And it's not chippy at all. It doesn't ever feel like it wants to flip or chip. So overall, I'm very impressed with this truck and its quality, guys. If you're looking for a great 12 scale that's easy to use, quick to charge, nice little unit, ready to run, and all it needs is 2 AA's right out of the box, this is definitely for you. It's a very fast truck. It has great acceleration. It's definitely not bad for a lithium-ion brushed motor, guys. Have a great day.
Thank you for watching this video review. I enjoy giving high-quality video reviews to provide consumers with valuable insight and set expectations before you make your purchase. Have a wonderful day out there, guys.